Okay, here is a quick tutorial over Windows Ink Workspace. Okay, so if you go down to the bottom over here, you have an icon. This is the Windows Ink Workspace. If you left click on it, you'll get two options. You'll get whiteboard and full screen snip. Okay, first we'll go with we'll explore the whiteboard. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that icon. And I've already used the whiteboard quite a bit. Earlier on today, I was having my students take notes, and I was just writing on here. There's several different things you can do with this. You can make it. You can scroll all the way to the top. You can scroll to the left, to the right. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. So as you're going, you can just keep writing notes. And it also helps you to use a stylus pen. Okay. I just have a basic, simple stylus pen. I'm just going to go ahead and choose. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to choose blue. And I'm just going to go ahead and write out an equation. I'm just going to write y equals mx plus b. Okay. And say if I'm, making an equation and I make a mistake, you have two options. You can use the eraser, or you can just press Control Z. That will undo the last thing that you did. Okay. We also have you have a settings menu. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Make sure you activate your pin, and you have several different options here. You can move the toolbar to the side, to the top. You can clear your canvas. If you're done taking notes, you want to start from clean, just go ahead and click on clear canvas. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of there. Okay. And you also have several different options down here. You can add text box, you can notes, undo stuff. You can also redo things. Say, you deleted too much. So you can go ahead and press redo, and it will put back the last thing you undid. Okay. Let's go ahead and talk about the other option here. If we go to Windows Ink Workspace, and we have the full screen snippet tool. Okay, what that does is that takes a picture of your full screen. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let's say for example, you look up the periodic table on the internet. Okay, you can go ahead and click on this icon, go to the full screen snip, and it takes a picture of your entire screen. Okay, now say for example, I just want this part here, just this main chart here. You can go ahead and crop it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move that down to here. So I want to leave a little bit of space here on the side so I can write notes. And then once you press check, that will crop your picture. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and maximize it. And then from here, you have these options up here as well. If you want to highlight something, you click on the highlighter. You can select whatever size. And with my stylus pen, I can highlight whatever I want to highlight. Okay. If I highlighted this and I make a mistake, press Control Z, it undoes it. You can use different colors. This is a ballpoint pen. You want to make notes, say, I don't know, say that the noble gases here are super important. So you want to put a red circle on top of that. Okay. So these are just a couple of options that Windows Ink Workspace provides us. Okay. And let me see if there's anything else. We can also change the size. Okay. You can save it. You can save it as I believe you can save it as a PDF. Okay. It gives you different options here. It says JPEG. I guess it's just pictures, JPEGs and PNGs. And that is it for the tutorial. I hope this was helpful. I don't know how long we had this option on our computer. I just barely noticed it myself, so that's why I made this tutorial, is to help people like myself, I guess. I just didn't notice, and I mean, nobody told me about it. I just kind of figured it out on my own, and I feel like I'd been missing out quite a bit. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.